Good morning and welcome to week 7 of activating with the Aunties. I started this series over a year ago and it was supposed to be an 11-week series, and I made it to week 6 and I got activated and kept moving, kept the train moving. And realized that I never finished the series. So this is me today, a year later, picking up where I left off and really tapping back into what it means to be activating with the Aunties. So you're joining me today on our first official snow day. Yesterday it snowed all day. And now there's about 16 inches of fresh pow on POW, on pow. So welcome to week 7. You're with me today and we're going to do our morning routine. This is what it looks like to wake up and activate with AuntieBABS. Here we go. Hoo hey ya hey ya, hoo hey ya hey ya, hoo hey ya hey ya, hoo hey ya hey ya. Te ki ang kau yu ande. Shakwan ulun iya, gune ya hey ya, hu hey ya hey ya. Creator, great spirit within that connects us all. Sheesh. Thank you for another day to wake up, to be present, to serve my purpose in this world. I pray for continued strength and guidance along this path. I am so grateful to serve as a vessel of love and light in this world, to serve as a beacon of hope to carry into the darkness for those who are feeling lost and alone, helpless, hopeless, struggling and suffering. in silence. I pray that your light shines through me so they can see the outstretched hand on which to grab and the path before them on which to step. My hands are your hands, my feet are your feet, my voice is your voice. I pray for continued strength and guidance. I pray for a veil of protection around all of those who need it most. Whisper into their ear and make sure that they know how loved they are and how worthy they are of a different life. And all it will take is to open their eyes, to look up and see that we are here waiting for them. And we'll be with them side by side. We'll always have their back. Ihale ayu alahe Yahweh Yahe we hey yo Yahe yo are you hey Yahweh are you Allah hey Yahweh Yahe we hey yo Yahe yo are you hey Yahweh are you Allah hey Yahweh Yahe we hey yo Yahe yo are you hey Yahweh are you Allah hey Yahweh Yahe we hey yo Yahe yo are you hey Yahweh are you Allah hey Yahweh Yahe we hey yo Yahe So the reading from the Meditations with Native American Elders, the Four Seasons, December 10th, the quote from the Traditional Circle of Elders from the Navajo Hopi Joint Use Area says, "The natural law will prevail regardless of man-made laws, tribunals, and government." And the reflection says, "The Great Spirit made laws by which man needs to live. These laws are just and about living in harmony. Man has passed many laws that say it is okay to do things. Many of these man-made laws are out of harmony with the laws of the Great Spirit. These man-made laws will cause trouble for the human being if they are out of harmony with the laws of the Creator." And the affirmation is, "Great Spirit, teach me your laws." And so, to finish up and complete the activating with the Aunties morning routine, concludes with a 10-minute timed brain dump of intentions for the day. So at the top of my paper on my notebook, I will write the current phase of the moon, which is waning gibbous, which means that we are on our way to the new moon. It's going to be we're on our way to the new moon, and it will be the last quarter moon on Thursday, tomorrow. So then I'll write my intentions. So today is a pretty basic day, and doing my activating routine sets me up for a kind of clear and organized path forward for the day. And on a typical day, I would have all of my things that need to be completed for the day. The cool thing about today is that today is actually kind of a snow day, and our power went out about an hour ago, and so things are going to be changing. So my reflection or my intention for the day says, today I will intend to follow the path laid before me and allow the future to unfold as it will. My place in it all will become clear. I had an appointment with my behavioral health counselor this morning at 10. That needs to be rescheduled. So the 3 things on and I had a tire appointment to get winter tires put on. Perfect timing. And so my 3 things on my schedule for today are to reschedule my search appointment, reschedule my tire appointment, and go with the flow, because today is just going to be a go with the flow kind of day because it's a snow day. I hope you all have a really wonderful day. And my point in doing all of this and showing you in 20 minutes, you can get yourself centered, you can get yourself grounded, you can make yourself a plan for the day. I struggle every day with attentional issues, ADHD type of behavior patterns. I struggle with mood regulation, ups and downs, energy, and motivation. And this little routine has really helped me unlock my potential moving forward. Sing songs, breathe, get grounded, do a little bit of walking, get some movement in, read the reflection for the day, and make a plan for the day. And in less than 20 minutes, I am activated, I am ready to go, I'm ready to take on this day, whatever it will throw at me. I hope that this helps you and inspires you to create your own activation routine. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Let's go play in the snow!